This is the second part of that lesson. So we've got S, V, and A. How do we get from one to the other? We differentiate. What if we have to go this way? Anti-differentiate. So as soon as you see a question that involves speed, velocity, acceleration, that little picture is what you want to draw on the side so that you know. If you have been given the formula for velocity, e.g. velocity equals 2t plus 4, find A or acceleration at 2 seconds and distance at 2 seconds if S of t is S of 0 equals 4. There you go. There's a question. Okay? Probably, I'm going to say it would probably be a merit question because it's got enough in it to do it. So for the first one, if we're starting at V and we have to get to acceleration, we differentiate. So V dash of t is equal to A of t. And it equals 2. And they'd tell you that it was in meters per second or whatever, squared, right? Or if you were writing it physics way, you'd write it like that. Same thing, okay? So they're telling you that that's your first. What does that tell you? 2 meters per second squared. It's doing what? It's accelerating at a constant rate of 2 meters per second. It's a constant acceleration. All right, so that's fine. Find the acceleration at 2 seconds. So what is it going to be? What is it going to be at 10 seconds? What is it going to be at 3 seconds? What is it going to be? It's going to be 2 meters. It's not a trick. Well, it is a trick, but it's not a hard trick. It just is 2. All right, then we go to the second one. So the integral S of t equals 2t, add 1 to the power.
Right.
Right? Anti-differentiate from here back to here. Anti-differentiate, 2t over the. What does that actually mean? Let's get rid of that because that's complicating issues. So t squared plus 4t plus c, and when t is equal to 0, that equals 0, and that equals 0, and it has to equal 4. So what is c? C equals 4. So S of t equals t squared plus 4t plus c plus 4. Now we have to find it at 2 seconds. So S of 2 equals 4 plus 8 plus 4 equals 16 meters. Right? And that's it. So all you have to know is that for this way you differentiate, for that way you anti-differentiate, and it's highly likely they'll give you the clue you need to be able to find any C's that crop up. Okay.